Good morning, guys. We are having pizza bagels.
And Grace is partying.
And Grace is partying. So Grace is partying over there, you guys. Yep. So that's what she's doing
So right now, you guys, I'm just getting some things signed. So that's what's going on. So that's what we can do right now. Just getting some paperwork signed to do something pretty cool.
Right now, you guys, we are doing some cleaning out of the rug. So that's what we are doing. Cleaning the rug. So hopefully it doesn't. Right now, you guys, we are cleaning. Today we are going to go through a lot of stuff today and see what stuff we need, what stuff we don't really need. Yeah, that's what we're going to try to do. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading into work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. You guys, we are doing some shopping, so that's what we are doing.
Cake looks so good.
I made taco cake. This is the inside.
Yeah, this is the inside, guys. Looks so good.
Reese is struggling tonight.
Yeah.
Not really.
But we are going to play some hand and foot later after when we are done, and we are watching.
I made a few different creations tonight, so you'll see the other stuff I made too.
Joe made some lemon cheesecake, you guys. Right?
Yeah. I can make a recipe for it later.
Yeah, sometime. So that looks so good.
So right now, you guys, we are watching. What are we watching?
It's called the Wish Dragon.
So that's what we're doing. But I'm going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye.